Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Holyoke, local and long-distance movers near me. You must be cautious when choosing a suitable mover to manage your move because the effects of relocation can be either positive or negative based upon the moving company. Our talented Holyoke local TM movers are ready and able to carry out a successful and seamless move for a local relocation within the city. While managing a local move yourself may save you money, will you be able to do so efficiently, particularly if you're inexperienced? Let our skilled movers handle everything while you sit back and relax. We promise you an expert move within the lovely city of Holyoke while considering the security of your possessions into account. Our familiarity with Massachusetts' Holyoke and our understanding of its roots are additional benefits of our knowledge base of the place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Holyoke moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.